Hi, I'm Gabriel Tesoro, and this is my Sprout Up journey. Freedom and life. This was my own take on agriculture. No one really influenced me on pursuing agriculture because, well, my parents let me choose the course that catches my attention. And fortunately, agriculture caught my attention that time. Mahilig talaga din ako sa mga bagay na iba. Na iba sa nakararami. Kaya pinili ko ito. The agriculture focuses on the learnings beyond the four corners of the room. Mapapatanong ka palagi kung ano yung nangyayari sa paligid mo. Yet, we need to be curious enough to answer it. It is the most exciting part on learning agriculture. Well, for me, kasi iba't iba naman ang pananaw ng tao tungo sa agrikultura. Which leads me to this. Knowing, understanding, and communicating those perspectives ng iba't ibang tao, yun ang magandang aspeto ng agrikultura. There are people from government, academies, research facilities, farmlands, and even in the mountains that work in the industry of agriculture. Kaya hindi ka mawawalan ng oportunidad para mahasa yung learnings mo in agriculture. Kasi everywhere you go, there are people from different walks of life that practices agriculture. I believe that the agriculture has always been with us, no? From our meals to golf courses, it somehow interconnects on how we live as a community. I'm thinking on gathering individuals who deeply understood the value of agriculture so that in return, we can help a community to be dependent on their resources. Together, let us sprout up. This is Gabriel Tesoro para sa Bayan, Agham at Agrikultura.